This is Eating the African Way. I'm Nicholas. Today we are going to look at Eshabwe. That depends on where you come from. But today she's our guest. Please, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Joan Obadiah, a YouTuber, but starting up still young. And on my channel, it's all about lifestyle, tour and travel.
Yes, thank you, Obadiah. Before we dive into our dish, can you please take us through the steps?
The dish you are going to have, it's all about ghee. Like, you have to be with ghee to make Eshabwe. So we have ghee, we have salt, two types of salt. There is this other salt and this white salt, and water. That's all with our ingredients.
So how do you mix the ghee salt to come up with a Eshabwe?
We have to be with where we can prepare it from. Then we have ghee. Then we have where we can put our water and our salt, sura. Yes. Then another tin for salt, the white salt. So you start by your saucepan, or anywhere. They used to use some other dishes, not a saucepan, but that's what we could have at hand. So we get the ghee, we put it in our saucepan. We mix that salt. It's what I think. In Uganda, I don't know, I'm not sure, but in our language it's called mahonde, and most especially they give it to cows. The cows also take salt, so that mahonde is taken by cows. So we get the mahonde, that sura, we mix it in with little water so that it can get into a watery form. But long time ago they would get that mahon and that sura, they would crush it into a powdered form. Then they start mixing it in ghee. But now, it's time wasted. So now you get that sura, you put some water, you dissolve it into a liquid form. You keep putting in ghee as you're stirring for it to become into a Eshabwe. Yes, that's how we do it. As we put that liquid sula, then water, liquid sula water, as you're stirring. Yes, that's it. Then
Uganda tukolera wamu laba tubuuza tutyera ddennyoge maamu bwe tufukamira tusaba tusinza Katonda omu erobola ngozi tulina amabeere ga nnyinamu.
Then, if you have meat, you first roast it. You cut into small pieces and put it aside. So when your Eshabwe is ready like this, sorry guys, when your Eshabwe is ready like how you've seen, because it's sticky and ready to eat, you get the other pieces of meat and add into the Eshabwe. Long time ago they would use, I think, mutton, sheep, meat to sheep. That's why in some cultures they call it kitama. They don't call it Eshabwe. So they would roast their sheep, that's mutton, and put it in Eshabwe. When it's done like this, they put. When our Eshabwe is ready like this, we put this, our normal salt, the white salt, for it to taste very well. So that's the process. I've described it very well.
Yes, the lady who made the Eshabwe told me that you're not supposed to go outside when you're making it.
Yes.
Why do you need to be in the door or in the bedroom?
Yes, traditionally we call it like, we give it respect, because you don't find a Eshabwe anywhere, or you don't normally find a Eshabwe anywhere. So we normally do a Eshabwe either on a doorway, but not the door of our sitting room or dining, no, most especially bedrooms. And this one was made like on a doorway of one of the bedrooms. But if a girl is going for kinjira, or what they call introduction, they have to make it in the room, in the bedroom where she will be staying. Or if you have a man or a boy who is going to marry, you do that Eshabwe in the bedroom as a respect. It's like respect, as respect. So like Shinga, in our language it's Echtinisa. On the side of a man, if our boy, for example, in this family or any other Ankole family, if the boy is going to marry, you get what? You do this Eshabwe in the bedroom. The same, I'm sorry to take you back, the same applies to Ushera. The Ushera is made and kept in the bedroom, our mother's bedroom or grandmother. Yes. Then it's got from the bedroom, serving the guests. Yes. That's it.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. Another thing, sorry. It's about food. You take Ushera with, sorry.
No, it's okay.
Another thing is about how we should take it with. You take Eshabwe with, we take kalo or matoke, but right now at hand we have matoke. So that's what we are going to use while testing our Eshabwe. Unfortunately, we didn't get meat. The goat meat that we had, it was too sweet, so that we finished it before doing our Eshabwe. So we are going to take it plain, but it's all well. It's all well.
If you missed out how ghee is made, please check out that in the description box. You'll find a link that will provide you with a video. And right now we are going to taste. Can you please?
Yes, I've already washed my hands, guys. So
we wash hands after eating.
So sweet.
That was Eshabwe from Western region, and if you missed out how ghee is made, the link will be provided in the description box and up there. Please check it out. Any last word?
Guys, come we enjoy Eshabwe from
Eating the African way. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, comment, like, share, as we cook, learn, and eat the African way. Mr.